Welcome to Learning Unit 1, Enhancing Digital Literacy. This unit aims to bridge gaps by equipping civil society with essential digital skills. In this mini-course, we will cover 4 key learning units: enhancing digital literacy, effective external communication strategies, data for informed decision-making, and cybersecurity best practices. Learning Unit 1 is structured into 4 main sections: Introduction to Digital Tools and Platforms, Navigating Online Information Resources, Digital Communication and Collaboration, and Digital Content Creation and Management. We begin with an introduction to digital tools and platforms, exploring their roles and how to select the right tools for your needs. The digital ecosystem is an interconnected network of tools, platforms, and systems that enable communication, collaboration, and data sharing, empowering organizations to streamline processes and achieve goals efficiently. Key components of the digital ecosystem include search engines, web browsers, the internet, and various software applications that facilitate communication and data management. Digital tools play crucial roles in CSO operations, including advocacy, fundraising, communication, and data management, each enhancing different aspects of organizational effectiveness. Reflect on the digital tools you are currently using and consider how they have impacted your organization's operations. Explore key digital platforms for advocacy, social media, and more, understanding their purposes, key features, and best practices for effective use. Fundraising platforms like Kickstarter and Patreon help raise funds for specific projects and offer various features to engage contributors and track progress. Communication tools such as Zoom and email platforms like MailChimp facilitate virtual meetings, public outreach, and automated messaging, enhancing team collaboration and engagement. Volunteer management tools like CiviCRM and VolunteerMatch help manage volunteer details, event registrations, and donor contributions, streamlining volunteer coordination. Write 2 paragraphs explaining the tools you choose for advocacy, fundraising, and communication, and how they will support your organization's needs. Selecting the right digital tools involves evaluating your goals, understanding your audience, and considering team capacity and budget constraints. When selecting tools, consider ease of use, integration with existing systems, cost, scalability, and available support to ensure they meet your organization's needs. Developing a digital strategy involves prioritizing needs, testing tools, and documenting usage to create standardized processes for your team. Write 2 paragraphs explaining the tools you choose for organizing a global webinar, comparing existing ones and justifying your choices. In conclusion, digital tools streamline operations and increase impact. Choosing the right tools requires aligning them with your organization's goals. Develop a 1-page digital strategy for your organization, listing tools and their intended use to enhance your digital operations. Next, we will navigate online information resources, covering their importance, types, and how to use them effectively for your organization's benefit. Online information resources refer to digital materials or platforms available on the internet that provide knowledge, data, or tools to support decision-making and learning. The internet is a vast repository of knowledge, but it also contains misinformation. Navigating effectively helps save time, supports research, and avoids falling prey to false information. Online information resources can be categorized into search engines, databases and archives, educational websites, government and institutional websites, and open data platforms. Each type serves a unique purpose, from providing a variety of resources to offering structured courses and raw data. Write 2 paragraphs naming an online resource you frequently use. Explain why you use it and why you trust it. This activity encourages you to reflect on your online resource preferences and trust factors. Most people rely on search engines but fail to maximize their potential. Refine your search by using search operators like quotation marks for exact phrases, Boolean operators to combine or exclude terms, and asterisks as wildcards for unknown terms. Filter results by date, region, language, or type. Use reverse image search to verify the origin of an image or find similar visuals. Explore search engine alternatives like Google Scholar for academic papers and DuckDuckGo for anonymous searching. Specialized resources include digital libraries like Project Gutenberg, research databases like JSTOR, and social media for news. Each offers unique benefits, from free ebooks to breaking news and expert opinions. Use search operators to find 3 reliable resources on a given topic, such as renewable energy solutions. Share your findings and the operators used by composing a small report no longer than a page. Not all online information is reliable. Use criteria like accuracy, authority, purpose, timeliness, bias, and readability to evaluate credibility. This helps ensure the information you use is trustworthy and relevant. Identify red flags like overly sensational headlines, lack of author information, and outdated statistics. Use fact-checking tools and cross-check multiple sources to verify claims. Always ask who benefits from spreading the information. Use the evaluation criteria to identify which of the listed websites are credible. This activity helps you practice applying credibility criteria to real-world websites. Organize and manage information resources by using browser bookmarks or tools like Pocket. Save downloaded resources in cloud storage platforms like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Organize information with tags and categories using tools like Evernote. Create a centralized hub for links, notes, and research with Notion. Use shared tools for teamwork, such as Google Docs for live collaboration and Trello for organizing research projects. These tools enhance collaborative efforts and streamline project management. Navigating online information effectively requires a mix of technical skills and critical thinking. Regularly evaluate and organize your resources for efficiency. Create a resource library on a chosen topic using the techniques covered in this session. This assignment helps you apply what you've learned to organize and manage information effectively. This section covers various aspects of digital communication and collaboration, including email communication, best practices, email etiquette, managing contacts, virtual meetings, and more. Email remains one of the most used tools for business communication. It is crucial for maintaining professionalism, ensuring clear messaging, and creating a good impression. Applications include client communication, internal updates, and tracking communications. An effective email should have a concise subject line, a professional salutation, a clear purpose in the body, and a proper closing. Avoid jargon and overly technical language to ensure clarity. Use an appropriate tone based on the recipient and context. Include attachments only when necessary and name them clearly. Proofread before sending to eliminate errors and avoid using all caps or excessive exclamation points. Use a clear and concise subject line, address the recipient properly, and be professional and polite. Proofread before sending, use a professional signature, and avoid replying all unless necessary. Be mindful of tone and avoid unnecessary inbox clutter. Use folders or labels to organize emails by project or category. Utilize email filters to sort or prioritize messages automatically. Use contact lists or groups for recurring communications. Draft a sample professional email. For example, you would like to request a meeting with all the partners in one of the projects you are managing. How would you write it? Platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet are popular for hosting virtual meetings. Schedule the meeting, test your setup, and use features like polls and breakout rooms to engage attendees. Before the meeting, prepare all necessary details and test your equipment. During the meeting, start with introductions and encourage participation. After the meeting, summarize key points and share minutes or recordings. Use webinar features like Q&A, polls, and chat to engage attendees. Practice rehearsals to ensure smooth delivery and monitor attendee participation and feedback during the session. Organize a virtual meeting and experiment with its structure. Assign roles within your team to practice leadership skills during the session. Explore features like recording the meeting and managing participants. Collaborative tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Trello, Asana, and Miro help teams work together efficiently. These tools support real-time editing, task management, and brainstorming. Use shared documents or whiteboards during meetings. Assign and track tasks using project management tools to ensure effective collaboration. Techniques like mind mapping, SWOT analysis, and brainstorming help in effective collaboration. These methods encourage idea generation and structured problem solving. Facilitators should encourage equal participation, document outcomes and decisions, and keep discussions focused and time-bound to ensure productive workshops. Effective email communication involves clear structure and organization. Virtual meetings require preparation and engagement. Collaboration tools and brainstorming techniques enhance teamwork and problem-solving. Plan a virtual workshop to brainstorm ideas for an upcoming advocacy campaign. Coordinate the communication and collaboration of all team members, and document your process and reflections. This section covers the basics of digital content creation and management, including text-based content, image creation and editing, and video content creation. Digital content includes text, images, videos, and other multimedia formats published online. It plays a vital role in communication, marketing, and engagement. Digital content can be in the form of videos, presentations, infographics, animations, blog posts, articles, and social media graphics. Each type serves a unique purpose in engaging the audience. Effective text-based content is clear, concise, and tailored to the target audience. It should also be grammatically correct and free of spelling errors. Focus on a clear message and avoid jargon. Use headings, bullet points, and short paragraphs for readability. Include a compelling call to action to engage your audience. Visual content attracts attention, boosts engagement, and aids understanding. Tools like Canva, Adobe Photoshop, and Pixlr can help create and edit professional graphics. Resize images for web use to ensure faster loading. Optimize file formats and use consistent colors and fonts to align with brand identity. Let's start with Activity 1. Your task is to create a social media post image or infographic using Canva. This will help you get hands-on experience with a popular design tool. Video content is incredibly engaging and widely used for tutorials, storytelling, and marketing. Here are some tools you can use: Adobe Premiere Pro for professional-grade video editing, iMovie for simple and intuitive editing on Mac, and CapCut for free mobile-friendly video editing. When creating video content, keep your videos short and focused. Use transitions, subtitles, and music to enhance quality. Export your videos in appropriate resolutions, like 1080p, for most use cases. Now, let's move on to Activity 2. Record a short 30-second video introducing yourself and edit it using CapCut or iMovie. This will help you practice your video editing skills. Managing a website or blog involves understanding its components. A blog is focused on regularly updated written content, while a website is a collection of pages providing information, services, or products. Key components include the domain name, hosting, and a content management system, CMS. Choosing a unique, memorable domain name is crucial. Use a domain registrar to check availability and purchase the domain for a specific period. Keep it short, avoid numbers or special characters, and use appropriate extensions like .com or .org. SEO improves your website's visibility on search engines like Google, driving more traffic to your site. Key elements include using relevant search terms, writing concise meta descriptions, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. To optimize your website for search engines, use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic, Yoast SEO for WordPress to optimize content, and Ubersuggest to find keyword ideas and analyze competitors. Popular CMS platforms include WordPress, which is versatile and highly customizable, Wix, which offers a drag-and-drop editor suitable for beginners, and Squarespace, known for its clean and professional design templates. Managing content on a CMS involves creating new posts or pages, uploading media files, updating plugins and themes regularly, and backing up your website data periodically. For Activity 3, create a mock blog using WordPress or Wix. Choose a theme, create a homepage, and write a short introductory blog post. This will give you practical experience in setting up and managing a blog. Let's summarize the key takeaways. Digital content includes text, images, and videos that require planning and creativity. Tools like Canva, WordPress, and CapCut simplify the content creation process. SEO and website management are essential to ensure your digital presence is effective and visible. For your assignment, your organization wants to launch a new initiative and needs an online presence. Create a logo or social media post, draft a 300-word introductory blog post, and set up a mock website or blog using a CMS. Finally, include your blog post and designed image on the site. Welcome to UP2YOU, a project aimed at bridging gaps by enhancing digital skills for civil society. Let's embark on this journey to develop and refine your digital capabilities.